Temu affiliate program, how to make money. Making money through affiliate marketing is great because it lets you earn passive income by promoting products and earning commissions on sales. And I'm here to teach you how to get that done. First things first, I want you to go ahead and click the link in the description box. It is this exact same link here. You can go ahead and open it. After opening it, you should be redirected to this particular page here. I want you to go ahead and click the Get Started button down below so we can proceed. Now, there are different options in order for you to continue with this one. You can just type your email here, or you can do one of the followings down here. For example, if I were to continue with Facebook, I can just go ahead and click that there, and then I shall be redirected to my Facebook, and then I can go ahead and basically enter my password in here. So I'm just going to do this one real quick. Alright, now that we are here, we are going to proceed. So there are different ways in order for you to earn here. You can go ahead and proceed with this part here. You can earn. So the first thing that you are going to do is click this one right here, and then we're going to share the code through the following here, or share the link. And yep, that's actually just very simple. And basically, here's what is going to happen. So for new app users, people who have downloaded the app for the first time, or for reinstalled users who have not uninstalled the app for 14 days, you can earn up to 20% commission on orders placed within 30 days of your referral downloading the app. Another is $5 extra download reward for every referral who download and log in. So that's a very good amount of money, right? So again, go ahead and click this one right here in order for you to share this to those people. Now, I'm going to go ahead and proceed down here. Referrals can get also $100 bundle code. It's the same thing. It's the same link that you have earlier and the same code that you have there at the top. And yep, you also have here free gifts for those referrals, 30% off, exclusive deal, and then save big for all users. Now down below you have here easy to earn commission, but basically that is the exact same step that we have there at the top. Now I'm going to redirect you here, pick items. I'm just going to go ahead and open it for you, and here we have a lot of items that you can use in order for you to share, and once they buy from that particular link that you have shared, you should be able to earn commission. So let's try to take a look, for example, at this one right here. Okay, this portable compact small juicer, I'm going to go ahead and click share item just like so. And yet what is going to happen is that we can share this one to these particular applications in here, this messaging system that is available on my phone. I can share this to all of these, and I should be able to earn a commission of up to $5.34. That's a huge amount of money, right? So again, just go ahead and do that one. You can just go ahead and copy the link to do this manually as well, and then post it to, say for example, Facebook, comment sections, message to your friends, and basically anywhere. And yep, just go ahead and try to choose more products in here. Sky's the limit, everyone. You can share as much as you can, but I would suggest that you try to personalize what you share in order for you to match, say for example, a theme of your shop, you know, something like that, so that you can get focused attention of your viewers. Another is this one right here. You can invite an affiliate. You can click this one down below, and yep, a welcome present is $2, by the way. So yep, that's amazing, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and close all of these here, just like so. Alright, so first things first, I want you to go ahead and click invite to earn, and then still the same thing, share these codes or share the links through these down here. You can also just copy the link manually or copy the code manually in order for you to be able to share them to your friends. Now, in order for us to get more details about it, I'm going to go ahead and click this one here. It says details. Now, the good thing about this is you can earn up to $55 for each affiliate you invite. In order for you to know the qualifying requirements, you can just go ahead and refer to these. For example, for TikTok, you can have here a maximum of $30 for bonus. For YouTube, you have the maximum of $50, and then for Instagram, you have the maximum of $30. Another, you also have here the secondary commission. It says here that you are going to receive a 20% secondary commissions from any new affiliate who joins the Temu affiliate program using your referral link or code for the first 60 days of their enrollment. So that is really a good amount of money, right? So again, just go ahead and try to explore these. There are a lot of options in order for you to get this done. And again, do remember to click the link in the description box or the comment section for you to become an affiliate and earn a passive income. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.